Home Remedies presents.
Are you suffering from arthritis? You are treating it wrong. See how to actually repair cartilage. Natural strategies for cartilage regeneration include an anti-inflammatory diet rich in nutrients like vitamins C and K, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, as well as herbal remedies like turmeric and green tea, and supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin. One of the most crucial foods for our health and well-being is bone broth. Broth made by cooking meaty bones in a pot of water, and yet we have essentially removed it from our diet in the modern Western world. Instead of nutritious and delicious, rich and beautiful bone broth and stocks, we use added and artificial flavorings made in a lab to add flavor to our packaged foods. What nutrients are present in bone broth? Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Bone broth is full of collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, proline, and glutamine, all of which are important for healthy cartilage and cartilage repair. Collagen is crucial for the structure, integrity, and health of our connective tissues, from our bones to our joints, to our skin to our hair, to our nails, to our brain and nerves. Glucosamine and hyaluronic acid are glycosaminoglycans, both found in bone broth, that are very important components of cartilage in our joints. Proteoglycans are formed by the covalent binding of a core protein with glycosaminoglycan chains. Chondroitin sulfate is a proteoglycan that is present in bone broth and is important for the tensile strength of our cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and aortic wall. Here's all you need to make your own bone broth at home. Ingredients: 2 onions, chopped if very large, use only 1. 3 to 4 pounds beef bones that have cartilage and some meat on them, that is knuckle bones, shank bones, oxtail, rib bones, femur bones. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: add all ingredients to a large pot or pressure cooker and add enough water to just cover the bones. Let it boil, and once it boils, turn it off so you can skim any scum that may have surfaced. This is optional, but some believe it to be helpful in keeping the taste pure. Sometimes I do it and sometimes I don't. Totally up to you. If using pressure cooker like Instant Pot, put it on the pressure cooker setting on high for 3 hours and allow the pressure to naturally release when it's done. If using a regular pot over the stove, let it simmer for 12 to 16 hours. Strain the cooked broth to keep the liquid gold you have just made. Aim to consume 2 to 4 cups of bone broth per day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave your comment.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.